Alright, so we're going to do a quick little video on this key fob here on how to open it. It's from a 2020 Audi SQ5. Alright, so if you have a dead battery or something, that's why you're going to open it. So if we look on the bottom of the remote, there's a button here, there's a button here. We need to press both these buttons at the same time, squeeze them, and then pull the emergency key out. Alright, so once you have that out, we're going to use the same buttons, this button here and this button here, and we're going to pull out the actual tray that holds the battery in this. Okay, it's all built in. So we're going to squeeze. You might have to wiggle, okay, and it'll come right out. This one came out pretty quick, so just be careful. And once you get it out, see, it's like this. Here's the holder for the battery. Just turn it around, show you what size the battery is. Battery is going to be a CR2032 battery with the positive sign facing down in the holder here. The actual holder has a positive sign here. Go like that. And if you need a battery, check down in the description box, and I'll have a link takes you to Amazon where you can pick up a battery for like $2 if you need one. And I have the size down there also. So when you put it back in here, it goes this way. Just push it in here. It doesn't make any noises or anything when you put it back in here. It just clicks like that. I lied about the noises, I'm sorry. Then you get your emergency key, slap it all together, and you're all done. Well, I hope the video was helpful, and if it was, appreciate it if you could hit that like button for me or leave me a comment. Hope to see you again later.